Hello guys, welcome to Addota Farm. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to start a fish business in Nigeria. How to start a fish business in Nigeria. A fish business is a lucrative business and it's a profitable business. If you invest your money into a fish business, I'm assuring you that there are profits in fish business, and there are different areas in which you can go about this business. One of the areas is to go into it as someone that wants to rear the fish, like digging a fish pond, buying the fingerlings or the juveniles to keep in your fish pond. That is one of the ways you can make money from fish in Nigeria. Starting off a fish pond, getting a waterlogged area, a place that has or that is close to water and the land is good to dug your fish pond, then getting the fish, the small ones, and keep inside the water. Then you keep them for reproduction. So whenever you see that the fish has reproduced to a certain level, and you say that your fish are much, then you can start selling or marketing your fish by that time. And you know, most of the feed we eat, we normally put fish in our soup. You know, fish gives us protein, so we can't do without it. And if you eat fish, you will see that if you eat fish, you say that you have enough protein in your body. As for me, I even prefer eating fish than red meat. So fish is very important. We can't do without meat. You can't do without the fish rather. You can't do without it. You need to eat fish always. You know, you need to eat it to balance all your food. And the 6 classes of food, fish must be present. We can't absent fish from it. And in Nigeria, we eat fish a lot. Both the clara catfish, the pteroclara catfish, and the tilapia catfish, we eat them a lot. In short, they are expensive in Nigeria. The fish are expensive in Nigeria. So if you start off a fish pond in Nigeria, I'm assuring you that you are going to make more money from it. If only you can get a land, then get someone that will dug the pond for you. Get a trustworthy someone that will dug the pond for you, and all you just need to do is to get some equipment, then get your fish and start off your fish pond. If you are not here in Nigeria and you want to start off a fish pond, you can contact us. We can help you to go about that. And you can see some of our previous videos. We talk about how you can start off this fish pond. One of my colleagues, he knows the nitty-gritty about this business. You can contact him. You guys will discuss. You can contact me also, and we'll discuss better. Then if you have this fish pond, they release one videos on how you can make your fish feed, so you won't have any problem searching or looking for where you can make your fish feed. Also, I can make the fish feed for you. That is one of the way you can make money from fish business in Nigeria. Second way that you can make your money from fish business is by preserving the fish and selling it to other countries in form of smoke drying. Whenever you harvest the fish from the fish pond or from the river, then you bring it home. You just carve the fish. You carve the fish, get a stick, put it together, then put it on the fire, leave for some minutes, then remove it, and you see that the fish has already been dried, and you preserve it. By that way, you are preserving the fish, and at the same time you are exporting the fish to the other countries, so you can make more money from it. Also, there is this tribe in Nigeria, the northern part of Nigeria does this a lot. They sell fish that is dry a lot. They preserve the fish, they get it from the river, then they'll smoke dry the fish. Someone will sun dry the fish, then they'll pack it together and they'll start selling it, and they are marketing it a lot here in the western part of Nigeria. So you can join into this fish business and make more money from this fish business. And the third way in which you can make money from fish business is starting up a hatchery. Having your hatchery place where you hatch your fish. If you get a place that you'll be hatching your fish, you will see that you will make more money from it also, because a lot of people will be bringing their fish to you to hatch for them, and you will charge them before you hatch the fish, and by that way you are already making your money. It's just for you to get the equipment, know how to hatch this fish. You can contact us, we will teach you how to hatch the fish, and if you learn it from us, you can go also start up your own business and start teaching others. So there are different areas in which you can go into fish business. So even though you have a fish pond on your own, you can still learn this hatchery. You can still learn it, so it will reduce the amount of money that you'll be spending on taking your fish to someone that knows how to hatch it. You understand? So you need to learn how to learn it. You need to learn it from us, learn how to hatch your fish, and by that way, even though you are selling the fish to your customers, you are actually you'll be advertising your product to them, that you'll be telling them I know how to hatch. In case your fish is stuck, you can contact me and I'll hatch them for you. By that way, you're also advertising your products to them, and you see that 2 or 3 will definitely contact you, and by that way you are actually making your money. So I just want to share these little ideas with you guys. The fish business is very lucrative in Nigeria. If you go into fish business, you are going to make more money from fish business. Please, if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to Addota Farm. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when next we drop in new videos. And don't forget to like this video. Bye bye.